Hi class! Welcome to Vegan 101, taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on future content. The obstacle that prevents dietary change is not the consumption of different foods. Rather, it is the notion that eating healthier is expensive. If you compare the price of a salad or vegan entree to a combo meal at a fast food restaurant, it is clear that it costs more to eat out if you're eating plant-based. The reality isn't the same for buying plant-based groceries. In fact, you can save a lot of money on groceries by switching to a plant-based diet, provided you do it right. Today, we're going to be covering exactly how to eat plant-based on a budget. Let's dive into the lesson. It's easy to associate plant-based eating with higher grocery bills. This is because people associate veganism or vegetarianism with Whole Foods, Sprouts, or other health food stores. It is our duty to let you in on a little secret. Every grocery store has plant-based foods. From your local ethnic market to Ralph's or Winco stores, you can buy affordable foods from the essential plant-based food groups. It is very easy to grocery shop without spending your entire paycheck. Find the market with the best prices. The closest market to your home isn't always the most affordable place to shop. It is often worth it to drive a couple of extra miles to a grocery store that is kinder to your wallet. Buy dried legumes instead of canned varieties. It's easy to grab a can of black beans or chickpeas, and it's even easier to cook with them. Legumes are staples in the world of plant-based eating, but you could spend a lot on canned varieties. Not to mention, canned legumes are often loaded with sodium and other preservatives. Opt for dry beans when you can because you can get way more bang for your buck. And they are free of preservatives. You can always soak with dried legumes overnight or make them in a slow cooker or Instant Pot. It's all about budget-friendly proteins. Fake meats are all the rage in this modern age. The truth of the matter is that they are overly processed and expensive. Some Beyond Meat products or fake meats will cost you a lot more than a bag of lentils or quinoa. The same goes for dried legumes. Add chickpeas to your salad instead of using mock chicken. Additionally, many vegetables are excellent sources of protein. Try to only shop once a week. It is best to make a meal plan or gather a collection of potential recipes you'd like to make for the week. This allows you to stock up on items until your next trip. If you have to continually go back to the store, you will most likely spend more money than you need to. Superfoods are great, but don't focus on them. When we refer to superfoods, we're talking about green powders, wheatgrass shots, acai packs, maca powder, and goji berries. All of those foods have their place, but not in your house if you're on a budget. Those items will lead to an extremely high grocery bill that you simply can't stomach. Instead of acai packs, get a large bag of mixed frozen fruit. Add kale or spinach to your smoothies instead of green powders and spirulina. Cut back on these foods and you'll save lots. Your wallet will thank you. Make affordable recipes. Cheap or affordable meals do not have boring or bland flavors, contrary to popular belief. These meals are all about making frugal foods the stars of your dishes. You can make lentil stew, black bean and sweet potato chili, vegetable stir fry, or spice chickpea tacos. Get creative, but you can always stay cheap. And please, don't panic if you can't buy organic. While it's a nice thought to only purchase organic produce, it can't always be done from a budgetary standpoint. At Dherbs, your health is extremely important to us. We hope to make your transition to veganism as smooth as possible. That's all for today, students. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time for another Vegan 101 powered by Dherbs.com.